Hello, my name is Nada Serafimovic. I'm from Belgrade, Serbia. I'm a children's book illustrator and I'm filming my video about plans for 2020. Hi YouTubers! I wanted to film the video of my plans for 2020 when I get back, and yeah, what a better place to do it here a few days before I come back. I'm in Tokyo now. This behind me is a sky tree, and I wanted to announce there will be a lot of Japan videos during 2020. So I decided to totally change my schedule and to let you know about it right now. And yeah, Mondays, as I usually post on Monday, I try to post every Monday, will be about Japan. And this, I'll show you. I didn't pick it up. This will be what you see a lot during 2020, because in most of my vlogs there's a little bit about update on travel journal, and I wanted to introduce you to that, and also to post on Tuesday because it's an art channel, travel inspired, but it's still art channel, and I decided to make 2 videos a week, and the second one to be filmed and posted and edited on Tuesday, probably evening. And that will be for in Japan, my sticker tour. If you don't know what my sticker tour is, that's a hashtag I invented, and that's what I want all of you to participate in. If you like, I put stickers out in the world on public surfaces that are already filled with stickers, and I do that wherever I go. I try to do that wherever I go. And I designed my special stickers, which will become very recognizable if you watch some of my other videos through time, and plus I add some more. So my sticker tour will be on Mondays as well, because I realized, yeah, well, let's vlog, let's be comfortable, cozy, and just do my sticker tours while we're walking and vlogging, you know. So it's much more spontaneous because it's not a big deal, it's just a fun thing I do, or at least I think it's fun fun for you as well. So my sticker tours will sometimes be on Tuesday when it's a separate other city, when it's not Japan. There will be studio vlogs because I want to develop few personal projects during 2020 and to work on my new character designs, and I want to show you all of my process and all of my ups and downs because there will be ups and downs. I really want to improve my art in 2020 and to show off completely through YouTube. So hopefully you will learn something also from there, so we can learn together. And yeah, so let's say studio vlogs, some additional my sticker tours maybe, or whatever I'm comfortable doing, like exposing some myself in a way that I have some important update, or the travel journal when it's finished and ready for printing. That will be around autumn, I think. So yeah, let's support each other, let's join me on YouTube, subscribe, what to say. This is like a new intro for 2020 only. Japan videos will be present almost all through the year. So Monday is for that, Tuesday is for practically everything else art related, and yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.